In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Alt-Tab in TeamViewer. Whether you're working remotely or providing tech support from afar, mastering this simple task can make a significant difference in your workflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll confidently switch between applications on a remote computer using TeamViewer, a popular tool for remote access and support. Let's get started. First, you need to launch the TeamViewer application on your local machine. TeamViewer is regularly updated with new features and improvements, so make sure your version is current. This application allows you to connect to other computers securely, offering a window into their environment as if you were physically present. Once TeamViewer is open, look for a gear icon, typically in the top right corner of the interface. Clicking on this icon will open the Options menu, which is where you'll find the settings you need to customize your experience. Next, navigate to the Remote Control tab within the Options menu. This is where you'll configure settings specific to controlling a remote device. Among the various settings available, you'll find an option labeled Send Key Combinations. It's crucial to ensure this option is checked. Checking this box allows you to send keyboard shortcuts from your local machine to the remote machine. Shortcuts like Alt+Tab rely on this setting to function, paralleling the experience you would have were you sitting right in front of the remote computer. Once you've confirmed the Send Key Combinations option is enabled, click OK to save your settings. This step ensures that your preferences are registered and you're ready for seamless navigation across the remote computer's applications. Now, with these settings in place, activate a remote session with the computer you wish to control. Once the connection is established and you're able to see the remote desktop, you're ready for the final step. Simply press the Alt+Tab keys on your keyboard, which will now affect the remote system thanks to the settings you've adjusted. This combination lets you switch between open applications on the remote computer, effectively mirroring how you would use Alt+Tab on your local machine. And that's it. You've learned how to Alt-Tab in TeamViewer like a pro. With this knowledge, you can navigate the remote workspace efficiently, boosting your productivity and reducing the downtime associated with remote desktop navigation. Thank you for watching, and feel free to subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or need further clarification, drop a comment below. We're here to help. Until next time, happy remote working.